Hey, it's Nick Stat with The Verge, and we're here checking out Microsoft's new Xbox One X game console. Now, this is the consumer version of Project Scorpio. Microsoft has been talking about a mid-generation update to the Xbox for a long time now, and essentially the Xbox One X is that console. It's going to let you play games in 4K at 60 frames per second, games like Forza Motorsport 7, for instance, which is coming out in October, right before the console launches. In terms of aesthetics, the Xbox One X looks very much like the Xbox One S that came out last summer. It's a little bit slimmer. It's the smallest Xbox Microsoft has ever made, but beyond that, it's pretty much the same. Same controller, same ports. It's coming in only black. We don't know if there's going to be more colors yet, but when it launches on November 7th, it's going to have a black-only option, and the pricing is $499. Some players might think $499 is really high, and they're right. That's a lot for a game console. It's $100 more than Sony's PlayStation 4 Pro, so pricing is going to be a huge issue when it comes to which one of these consoles takes off. For the rest of our E3 coverage, check us out at TheVerge.com and subscribe to us on YouTube at youtube.com/TheVerge.